Hey guys, welcome back to another lesson in my beginner piano course level 1. If you enjoy these videos, don't forget to subscribe and give the video a thumbs up. In this lesson, we're going to learn a very famous tune for Here's a Jolly Good Fellow, which is a really well-known song that you can perform at any birthday party. Let me demonstrate it first and then I'll talk you through the difficulties. So as you could hear, the right hand is playing the main melody that you can sing along to, and the left hand is playing the chords, the primary chords of C major, to reinforce it as well as we can. Let's start with the right hand. We are in 3/4, so 3 beats in every bar, but notice how it starts on an upbeat, so we're going to start on the 3rd beat, and the E, is going to be our strong beat. Starting number 1 on the C, 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3. Hold it because there's a fermata. 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 4 5 6. Because we have a tie on that C, it becomes 6 beats. So the right hand is very simple because it's mostly steps all the way through with a couple of skips. Very easy to read. Just make sure the rhythm is always very tight. So the minims half notes get 2 counts and the crotchets or quarter notes get 1 count. Left hand starts in a C major position, C major chord, C, E, G, 1, 3, 5 for 6 counts. Then an F major chord, C, F, A, 1, 2, 5. Coming back to C major, 1, 3, 5. And going to the G7 chord, B, F, G, 1, 2, 5. Then back to C, C again, an F chord, holding it because it has a fermata, G7, and finishing on the C. When you play it together, make sure the right hand is a little bit louder than the left hand, and the chords go down perfectly together with the right hand melody, and you're holding those tied left hand chords to the full value. You're not lifting up your hand anytime sooner. So 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 and hold it. 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3. There are 2 finger changes that you need to be very careful about. One is in bar 10, where we are on the E number 3, and then for the second E we're changing to 2 because we have to reach up to the A. And the same finger change happens on the nobody on the G, which is 4 4 and changing to 5. So we're playing the same note, but we're changing the finger on it. 1 3 2. 5 4 4 5 5 4 4 5. If you enjoy this lesson, make sure to check out the premium version of this course, which is going to include a free method book, lots of filmed video tutorials for sight reading exercises, technical exercises, performance pieces, and best of all, you're going to get personal feedback from me to make sure your progress is as smooth and efficient as it can get.